I want to find the first four non-zeros of the Maclaurin series for e to the x times cosine x. We've already looked at both of them in previous examples, but e to the x equals 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial, and so on. And cosine x equals 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the 4th over 4 factorial minus x to the 6th over 6 factorial, and so on. So now I want to multiply them. So I need to multiply my two series. And if I just look at the first couple of terms, I should be fine. So I'm going to do some multiplying. So I just have to, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative x squared over 2 factorial is negative x squared over 2 factorial. 1 times x to the 4th for 4 factorial. And that's probably all I need. I probably don't even need that to get my term. So I'm going to go to the next one. X times 1 is x. X times negative x squared over 2 is negative x cubed over 2 factorial. X times this one, well, let's ignore this one, is x to the 5th over 4 factorial. And then I have x squared times that plus x squared over 2 factorial minus x to the 4th over 2 factorial times 2 factorial, which is 4. And then I have x squared times x to the 4th, so that's x to the 6th over 2 factorial times 4 factorial. And let's try one more. A couple x cubed over 3 factorial minus x to the 5th over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Let's see if we have enough for 4 terms. So I have 1. Now looking for my x terms, I have one x term, that's plus x. Now I have my x squared term, so I have minus x squared 2 factorial plus x squared 2 factorial, let's solve them. So those go away. X cubed, so I have x cubed over 2 and x cubed over 6. So I have plus, this is plus x cubed over 6 and minus x cubed over 2, and that gives me, if I add them together, minus x cubed over 6, because it's negative 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6 gives me negative over 6. So I get rid of my cubes, and I'll look at my 4. So I have let's see, I have x to the 4th over 4 factorial. From here, I have negative x to the 4th over 4, and so 4 factorial is 24. So I have, if I go over 24, the 4th at 6, so it becomes negative 6 becomes, and I have another 4 to the 4th power that I'm missing here. So let's see. Oh, x cubed is over 4. 1 over 4. When we get it, we add them up, it becomes minus 4 x to the 4th over 24. And I have another x to the 4th, oh, from here, 1 times x to the 4th factorial, so I didn't add that one. So this one, 1 times x to the 4th factorial. So x to the 4th for 4 factorial, I got to make sure I get my 4th term in. So I didn't multiply that one. So I have 2 over 24 minus 6 over 24, so it becomes minus 4 over 24. So I can rewrite it as 1 plus x minus x cubed over 6 minus, x to the 4th over 6. And those are my first 4 terms. So you have to be careful when you do this that you multiply everything out you need to multiply out.